I grew up in the 1960s, which was the first decade of the dawn of the space age and all that. And we were going to the moon for the first time and exploring the planets for the first time. And that adventure, that newness, that sense of exploration really caught my imagination. One of the first things I actually became interested in at the same time I became interested in space is deep sea diving, using the old brass helmets and air hose and lead boots and all that sort of thing. Very steampunk. And I actually went out and got my own diving suit, and when I have the free time, which is seldom these days, I go out and use it, so, under the water. So it's a lot like being in space or imagining you're in space, or even working in the space program, whether you're an astronaut or not. It takes you and helps you expand your mind into a different place. You get to see things that you would not normally see, and most humans don't actually get to see. I joined the Dawn mission shortly before we got to our first target, which was Vesta. The experience of visiting Vesta and Ceres for the first time was amazing in and of itself, because anytime you explore a new world, you're always in for surprises. And we got them. In Vesta, there were two large craters, impact basins at the South Pole. We thought there was only going to be one. But when we saw them, we saw that there's these enormous spiral fractures that we had never really seen very well in any other large craters before. We have a pretty good idea now that they're due to the collapse of the crater controlled by Coriolis effects. But at Ceres, which is the largest asteroid and ice-rich, when we approached, we saw these small, bright deposits. And as we approached closer, we realized that they were in the centers of craters. When we saw those bright spots, we realized that this is going to tell us something important, not just only about the interior of Ceres, but about the impact cratering process itself. So that was pretty cool.